So why are all my flowers here in the garage? Because today is like the 10th of June, okay? Let's see here. Today's the 11th of June, and this morning we froze or got right down near to freezing, okay? Maybe 34, 35. And I wasn't willing to take the risk, so I brought my flowers here into the garage. So check that out. We planted up all those annuals we bought. My dahlias here, and then the colorful annuals. So they look freaking sweet. It turned out really good. I'm really happy with how the beds turned out. Just now to try to keep them watered. Dahlias here, and all this fun color and fun stuff. So getting out my buckets so I can fertilize everything. Who we got over here? Who's that looky Lou? Hey! Got someone over there driving a truck. So I'm getting my buckets out. I'm gonna do some fertilizing. After I get these fertilized, my basket's rehung. I'm gonna go down to the old he-ho neighbor's house with the Toro Titan. We're gonna see how the Toro works on a long lawn. We're gonna go over to my neighbor's house here in a minute and try the Toro Titan out at her place. So this is what I got going on. This is the 20-20-20. And I can't find my little bottle of this stuff. So I'm just gonna use this bag right here. Put 2 of these in every single one. 1, 2.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're part.
That's all my fertilizer running out of there. That's why you need to put the hydrotane into your solution. Look at that guy right there. That's a big one. See that? That's a big old weed. These here, these are called irises. This is the flower that they produce. Looks kind of like a little bit like toilet paper. These have been growing here for about 4 or 5 years. So I really like these. These are a perennial. Cut them down in the fall, and they come up and bloom in the spring.
Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high.
All right, so let's dig out that Toro mower. We're gonna go over there and see how it works on her lawn. My lawn, for instance, I got dry area right here, okay? See that? That's a high traffic area because we've been working on the flower beds. Super dry. I need to really crank on the water for the lawn. Mowed the lawn here a couple days ago with my Real Master 3100D. Oh man, that thing is amazing. I do love it. So this stuff right here, this is the Blitz 22. Got this stuff selling on my website. Working with the guy who makes this. This is a 22% nitrogen sprayable stuff. You put 32 ounces of this stuff down per 1,000 square feet. So that's quite a bit. But if you only have a little bit of square footage, maybe 2,000 or 3,000, it's not that much, so which is really nice. And these boxes should be some of the same stuff, but in a granular form. And I gotta get this stuff live on the website as well. So this stuff is a 50-pound bag of fertilizer, okay? So this is the same stuff, just in a granular form. It's a Blitz 2200. And I like this stuff because it's granular and humic acid at the same time. So 2200, easy to spread. You can use your fertilizer spreader, your granular, makes it really nice. All right, so according to the guy at Toro, the dealer, okay, so he gave me the safety demonstration. I don't want anybody getting hurt, so we've got to follow all precautions that Toro wants us to follow. Gonna make sure we got this on. You want to wear your safety gear, okay? Eye protection and gloves, okay? Long pants, long sleeves, gloves. So you just want to be fully protected. So considering I'm not wearing long sleeves, I'm wearing, let me put these on right here. These kind of act as a set of sleeves, which is nice. So, all right, so let's fire this sucker up here.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase. Like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.
Not me.
This isn't your lawn. If it was your lawn, I'd have my shoes off.
Do you want to mow my lawn?
No.
Yeah,
No,
let's
that
get
would
you
be-
over there.
No, that would be scary.